So today, we're talking about something that's gonna be a total game changer. The upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. These are gonna shake things up. You're probably wondering, what exactly is Apple doing with this Pro lineup? Trust me, we've got some exciting stuff to dive into, and I can't wait to talk about all the new features coming your way down. So sit back, relax, share, and let's get right into it. Launch details. All right, so first things first. We don't have to wait much longer. The iPhone 17 series is launching really soon. Looks like the big day is going to be the 9th of September, when Apple will unveil its brand new iPhones, including these Pro models. Now we're getting a first. Look at the colors, and man, are they looking fresh. You've got a new shade of blue, plus an all-new orange that'll make these devices pop. Design and build. Now, as far as the size goes, there won't be much of a difference. We'll still get the same display sizes. The iPhone 17 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch screen, and the Pro Max will sport a 6.9-inch display. But here's where things get interesting. Apple is changing the materials. No titanium frame this year. We're getting an aluminum frame instead. And that means the overall thickness of the phones will increase a bit. But don't worry, it's all for a good reason. A bigger battery is coming to these models, and that's something we'll dive into shortly. Colors. Now, let's talk about the colors. Apple is bringing a fresh set of shades for the Pro models. You've got your classic black and white, of course, but there's also a new gray, plus the new blue and orange. These are definitely going to turn heads. Honestly, the new blue kind of reminds me of the Pacific blue from the iPhone 12. But with these new shades, it's going to be a whole new level of sophistication. Display. Now, in terms of display, there's a leak that suggests the iPhone 17 Pro models could come with an anti-reflective screen, which would also be scratch-resistant. That's going to be a game-changer for durability. And of course, we're getting promotion display, which means the screens will run at 120 Hz. Here's the kicker. This won't be exclusive to just the Pro models. The base models will also feature the 120 Hz refresh rate. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. As expected, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are going to crush it in terms of power. These phones will feature Apple's A19 Pro chip, which is going to be incredibly powerful. You can expect lightning-fast speeds, and Apple's AI features will be next level. Camera upgrades. Now let's get to the best part. The cameras. We're talking about a triple camera setup, and although the layout looks familiar, the camera module is being stretched all the way across the back. This new design is going to make the camera bump less noticeable and sleeker. We're also getting a huge upgrade in terms of megapixels minus 48 MP for the main camera, 48 MP ultra-wide, and 48 MP telephoto. Yep, you heard that right. The telephoto lens is going from 12 MP to 48 MP with 8x optical zoom. This is going to drastically improve your zoomed-in shots. Battery and cooling. Now, the battery. Apple is expected to increase the battery capacity, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could get a 5,000 mAh battery or even more. That's huge considering iPhones usually stay behind Android in terms of battery size. But with Apple's optimization, that's going to give us a great backup. Pricing and availability. As for pricing, it's going to be in line with last year's iPhone prices, with maybe a slight bump, around 5,000 INR more. But considering the upgrades, it's definitely worth it.